Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch to the more modes and select high resolution. So basically on this device you only have two different resolutions, like you have high resolution and you have just like normal resolution. So yeah, if you want to take photo in normal resolution, you just take it in a normal photo mode. If you want to take in high resolution, go to more and select high res. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.